What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to do my full coverage glam tutorial, and this is what I usually do when I go out or if I want to take a picture or have a little photo shoot with my friends. And I already did my eyebrows off camera. I also did my forehead. Yeah, I did my forehead, and then I primed my eyelids. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on my eyes first. I'm gonna be using the Morphe and James Charles palette today. It's hella dirty, but so I'm gonna be using I'm gonna be taking this shade. I think it's called Punch Me. Yeah, it's called Punch Me, and I'm gonna be taking T. I'm gonna put T in my outer corner and this one mostly in my crease. I need to stop looking at the viewfinder. Look at the lens, my bad. I'm still new to this, so sorry. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking the shade T right here, and I'm gonna be using a Morphe M514. First I'm gonna pack it on and then blend it. Just keep doing that, pack and blend. Alright, so this is what we have right now, and I'm just gonna keep adding more until I like how the color is looking. And yeah, I really want this smoked out. I don't know if my camera is picking it up, but in this mirror it's looking fucking dark as shit, but I like it. I like how my eyebrows came out. I suck at doing my eyebrows, like, sorry. I got my crease because why not? With the Morphe M562, and I'm going to be taking T, and it's this type of little brush, and I'm just going to be detailing right here. I'm going to be taking the shade So Good, and I'm going to pop that on my eyelid. I'm also going to be putting some glitter on top. This is a heavy metal glitter by Urban Decay in Midnight Cowboy. I'm going to be taking a makeup wipe and I'm going to clean up the edges. I thought I was going to leave it like that, huh? Clean right here. Damn, it's about to be 11 p.m. in Vegas. I'm going to be using the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. This primer is cool. I feel like it's not very pore filling, but it does leave your skin very hydrated, I think so. And if you have dry skin like me, then you'll definitely like it. Alright, for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And I'm also going to be mixing the Milani Conceal and Perfect in there. Yeah, I told you guys this is going to be a full coverage routine, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm also going to mix in some of the Milani Camilla oil because, like I said, I have really freaking dry skin. Like, bottle service. Kidding. And cream contour. I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Beautiful Bronze. What a name. And I'm just gonna do, come on. Oh, all right, I'm just gonna do a line kind of above my cheekbone like that. I'm gonna be blending it out with the Morphe Y9 brush. my concealer, I'm going to be using the Born This Way by Too Faced. I'm in the shade Light Beige. My powder, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. Yeah, Easy Bake powder, and I'm in the shade Banana Bread. Okay, I know I look crazy, but this is just my full coverage glam and what I do. So now I'm going to be taking the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, and I'm going to be setting the rest of my face. Alright, so for my bronzer and contour, I'm going to be using Dark Tan Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. And then I'm going to blend that all out with 135 by MAC. And for a more defined contour, I'm going to use the Makeup Shack T42 brush. For my blush, I'm going to be using NARS Deep Throat. Love that. And then I'm going to be using, what is this? Fairly Precious by MAC. This one is more of a blush topper. I think it's really pretty. I'll just show you guys when I go ahead and put it on. And then I'm also using an LA Girl 104 brush. So this is how Deep Throat looks on my skin, and I put a lot of blush on at first because blush does go away really fast. So yeah, and then this is how Fairly Precious looks. So it gives you a really pretty glow. If you don't really like highlight, I would just wear this, honestly. Okay, so before I highlight, I'm going to be using the Morphe Continuous Mist, and I'm literally going to sleep, but I'm going to do it for the video. What time is it? It's 11:43 in Vegas. Do you hear my bones? I'm funny. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette. I'm going to be taking, I don't know if you guys could see. No, you guys can't, but I'll just demonstrate. This one right here, it's super pretty. My eyelashes off camera, but before that I wanted to show you guys the beautiful lashes I'm going to be wearing. These are Eyelure Vegas Nail Platinum Princess. They're so pretty. Do you guys see that? Okay, so I decided, why did I clap? Okay, so I decided not to wear those lashes because I just was not feeling them. So I decided to wear Prettify Lashes by Anna. I don't know the name of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and go on their website and I'll figure it out and I'll link it down below. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna be using the same two first shades that I used in my crease, and I'm gonna be using a Morphe E10 brush. I'm gonna add some black eyeliner to the bottom, and I also already added it to my upper lash line. So for my lips, I'm gonna be using Whirl by MAC. Alright, and then for my lipstick, I'm gonna be using Baddest Beige by Maybelline. This is my favorite lip gloss ever. It looks like this. I'm looking beat. Like beat. My lip gloss, I'm going to be using Morphe Boho. This is one of my favorites as well. This is my favorite lip combo. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it, and I know this is a lot of makeup for some people, but this is just how I like to do my full coverage glam. You don't have to wear this every day. You could wear it on a date or a photo shoot or whatever the case may be. So yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also like and comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see from me. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media. I'm going to leave it somewhere here on the screen and down in the description bar. Thank you guys. Bye.